Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a poll on Twitter on your PC. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. To begin, open Twitter on your PC. Once you have the platform open, proceed to the next step. Click into the Post Compose box located at the top of your home timeline. This is where you can start creating your poll. Look for the Add Poll icon and give it a click to initiate the poll creation process on Twitter. Type your poll question into the main Compose box. Craft a clear and engaging question that will prompt responses from your followers. Now insert your first poll option into the Choice 1 box and your second poll option into the Choice 2 box. Remember, you have up to 25 characters for each option. Once you have filled in the poll question and options, click Post to share the poll with your Twitter audience. Congratulations! You have successfully created a poll on Twitter using your PC. Engage with your followers, gather opinions, and spark discussions through polls on this social media platform. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.